Here's an easy manifesting technique. Yes, very easy, very simple. Are you ready? Grab your phone, just like this. So for example, if I have a desire for $10,000, I'm going to push the record button and I'm going to say, I am so grateful that I manifested $10,000 so easily and effortlessly. And that's it. And I'm going to watch that video every day. It's a past memory. It's already happened. So you're going to pretend that this already happened, just like your past, and you have videos. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to create a false memory, and you're going to watch yourself every single day until you feel that it already happened. You're going to feel the vividness of it. And this is all you have to do. You can pick any desire: health, wealth, love, freedom, peace, anything that you desire. Record yourself. That's all you have to do. Life is good.